Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up and create an account with Invideo.io. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is head on over to Invideo.io, not Invideo.com. This is the official site for Invideo, the one ending in .io. And now when you come to their home page here, this is the official website, you want to click onto the sign up button, which should be located top right hand corner. I will leave a link in the description below for a free trial of Invideo as well. So if you want to check that out, go ahead. So click on sign up. And now you brought to the sign up page here. So welcome to Invideo AI. So you've got a few choices. You can join with your Google account, you can join with your Apple account, or you can put in your email. So do which one best suits you. So I'm going to sign up, join with Google. So I'm going to click on Google and now a little box will appear. So once this box appears, I'm going to choose my account here, Tutorial Wiz. So signing in is essentially creating an account as well, all in one. So now it will take me to the next page. And now as you can see, I am inside ai.invideo.io and I've successfully created my account. So if I click on the top right hand corner, you can see Hi Tutorial Wiz. If I want to check out my profile, I can click on profile. I can change my username here if I like, my full name. I can even connect a Discord as well. Yes, I got a few settings you can muck around with here. So yeah, thanks for watching this video.